Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make creme brulee in Toca Boca. First, head to your Toca Boca kitchen and gather a small bowl, some eggs, and sugar. You'll also need a stove and an oven. Make sure you have a serving plate ready for your finished dessert. Having all these items prepared will make the process smooth and fun. Let's get cooking. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to mix them. Crack 2 eggs into your small bowl. Then, add a good amount of sugar. Grab a spoon and stir everything together really well. You want the mixture to be smooth and a light yellow color, maybe even a little frothy. This step is crucial for getting that perfect creme brulee texture. Next, carefully pour your egg and sugar mixture into a small pan on the stove. Cook it on low heat, stirring constantly until it thickens up nicely. Once it's thick, transfer the mixture into an oven-safe dish. Now, put that dish into the oven for just a few minutes to get that beautiful, crispy caramelized top. Keep a close eye on it. Once the top of your creme brulee is a lovely golden brown, carefully take it out of the oven. Let it cool down for just a moment before you place it onto a serving plate. Your Toca Boca characters are going to love this delicious treat. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.